Hello, my dears. Welcome back to our vowel study, our short word family continuation, and just being together. So I know you see that V word behind me. Let's get right to it and let's get our brains nice and warm together so we can continue and read a fun book today. All right, let's go ahead. There is our V word. Let's talk about it. These are our vowels. Why are they so important? Well, because they're in every single word we read, you're going to find one of these special letters. Let's say them together. Here we go. A, E, I, O, and that's right, U. That's my favorite of all the vowels. Why? It makes me smile when I say it, and it makes me think about you and the fact that you're here with me right now doing our study together. So, back to the sounds of the vowels. We have two sounds of each of these letters. We have the long vowel sound and we have the short vowel sound. Now, I want you to remember that often you will see these little symbols over these vowels, and that's telling you whether or not it says the name of the vowel or the sound of the vowel. And I know we've gone over that again, but let's review it. So every vowel has two sounds. It has the long sound, and this is when we say the name of the vowel. A, E, I, O, and U. That's the long vowel sound. The short vowel sound, if you notice, it almost looks again like a smile. This is when we have to move our mouth in order to make the sound. So for the letter A, the sound is A. The letter E, E. The letter I, the letter O, ah, and the letter U, That's right, very good. Now, how many of you remember the words that we put with these sounds? So as I say the sound, you shout out the word that goes with that sound. Here we go, let's try it. Apple. That's an easy one because we say that all the time. Apple. Let's go to the next one. E, eh. And what was our word? Elephant. That's right. Elephant. Very good. Moving on to the letter I. This is a hard one. This was our cold word. You got it. I cannot believe it. Igloo. That's right. Igloo. Very cold word. Okay, our next sound is the letter O. Here we go. Octopus. Octopus. And interesting, the body of an octopus is actually an O, isn't it, with all of his legs? So very, very fun. And then the letter U, umbrella. Umbrella. Very good. So again, quickly, our long sound of these special vowels is we say their name. Our short sound, which shows this symbol, shows us they want us to say the sound. Move our mouth to get that sound. The short is when we use the sounds of the letter, Okay. And again, we're going to keep going over that. So if you don't know that yet, we'll continue to learn that together. But today we're going to practice hearing the A sound in these short vowel word families. And here I have the letter A, with the N. And let's say that together. An. Okay. Here we have the A and K, and this family is going to say, watch my mouth, ank. You can hear the A, the N, and the K at the end. Very good. And our last one, app. Okay, so let's make some families, shall we? Our first one is an, and our first word we're going to do is I'm going to add an F. Do you know it? A-N. So let's get our mouths ready. And add an F, and we have fan. Okay, that was easy. I know all of you got it. I could tell. That was just an easy one. Our next one, I'm going to add a T. That's it. I heard it. Tan. Yeah, these are easy word families, but that makes it fun. Fan, add a T, tan. And our last one, let's add an M. Man. Man. Very good. So what did I do? I started with my mouth ready with that and I was all ready. So when I added the F in the beginning, I was already ready to say and. So putting the F, I said, say it with me, fan. Very good. Quickly, tan. And adding an M, man. Very good. Okay, let's go to this next one. We have the A-N-K, that's ank. Ank. So you're going to get your mouth ready for that. And we're going to go ahead and add a word, add a letter. The letter is B. Now, it's okay if you don't have it yet. Stay with me. B-A-N-K, mouse ready with ank. Add the B, bank. Very good. Bank. Okay. All right. The next letter we're going to add is a T. A T. Anybody have it yet? Let's do it all from the beginning. Ank. Add a B, bank. Add a T, tank. Okay, good. More of you got that one. A little bit more difficult, and that's okay. And our last one, let's add a Y. Let's add a Y. And what's this word? Yank. Very good. Yeah, yank. Okay, so starting back at the beginning of our word family, we have ank. We added a B, bank. Added a T, tank. Added a Y, yank. Very good. How are you doing? Is your brain warmed up yet? All right, that's okay if it's not. We still have one more word family. Our last word family, again, starts with that short vowel sound A, and let's do it with our mouth. Here we go. Ready? App. App. Okay, so we're going to go ahead quickly now, add a hard C to our family, and what do we get? Cap. Very good. I was ready with the sound app. I added that C, cap. Very good. Okay, our next one, I'm going to add a T. Here we go. App. Get your mouth ready. Add that C, cap. Now add a T, tap. Okay, very good. Oh my goodness. Okay, here goes our last word. I'm going to add an L. Okay, here we go. And it is lap. Okay, very good. Still heard a lot of you struggling, and that's okay. Let's go back over it. App. App is our word family. Have your mouth ready. Add your C, cap. Add a T, tap. Add an L, lap. Okay, very good. Okay, so you think you're warmed up yet? Let's do a point and recall. Okay, so I'm going to point to the word. You see if you can tell me what it is before I actually say it. Okay, so here we go. Ready? Fan. Very good. How about this one? Ooh, this is hard. Okay, we need to go back up here. All right, let's get our mouse ready. Ank. Ank. Add a T. Tank. Okay, very good. Tank. Okay, let's stay in this column. You ready? Tough one. Yank. Okay, very good. Yank. Okay, let's go to the easy column up here. Fan. Very good. That's an easy one. And this one, man. I know we've already read a lot of that word, haven't we? Man. And back over here, we have cap. Very good. Cap. How about here? Add a T. Tap. Okay, very good. And last one, add an L. Lap. Very good. Okay, so today we looked at our short vowel word families. We had an, we had ank, and we had app. And you did very good. You worked very hard for me. Thank you so much. I'll see you for our book study.